Ever wondered how websites work? Let me explain it in simplest way possible. Imagine visiting a coffee shop. The front end is everything you see, the menu, the decor, the cozy seating. On a website, this is the buttons you click, the text you read, and the images you see. It's what makes the website look nice and easy to use. Now, let's talk about the backend. In that same coffee shop, it's the hidden kitchen where all the work happens: making coffee, baking cakes, managing orders. You don't see it, but it's what makes everything work smoothly. For websites, the backend is where the data is stored and processed, like your orders, logins, or messages. So, the front end is what you see, and the backend is how it all works behind the scenes. Together, they make the magic happen, just like a great coffee shop. Want more simplified tech? Subscribe now. See you in the next video.